Hi guys, you're watching another Webisode right here, right now. I am with Joe and Dom. We are skating a car park that's got shite ground because the weather isn't that great outside. It's been raining overnight and it's been raining this morning and it's pure dog shite. So we're gonna wait and see if it dries up a bit to skate Bishop Skate Park. Then we're gonna film some street spots for you guys. So enjoy. Oh, that was almost first try. Oh shit! There's a spider. That counts, go, go! That counts. I want to go to a Cooper's Town World to get something to eat and something to drink. You up for it? Yeah. You up for it?
This shit. Right at the end, I like bend down the floor like
that. Yeah, I remember that. So we're off to Cooper's and Poundland to get something to eat and drink, then we'll be back. Oh, is it mine? God damn it. I've got this. Oh, fuck it! I'm done with that. I'm fucking hurting like mad right now. I might try later, but I'm gonna film there, George. You! Yo! Your truck's caught. You got that. Yeah.
I never do anything on stairs.
Same as mine, of
The only
course.
stairs near me is like 16 stairs.
If you want to see that in the future video, like the video. Oh, that was it. That was it. You got that. Oh, Tom. Oh, that was it. You trying it again? It was close, but you almost had it. I've got that. That was it.
Let's try.
Fuck's sake. I'm good.
Oh! I just step off. Ooh.
Done it. Yeah, yeah, I'll do that. Oh no. That's scary. Woo. Yes, Dom, do it. And we'll get a sick angle. Oh! Oh. That was it. You got it.
try.
Yo! You got it! First try, what the fuck?
I'll try to do it again, it wasn't that clean. Did I?
Yo! Look at the wall.
We didn't do that. Because you caveman it. It's the ball working for the hand.
I'd die.
Woo! Let's try.
Alright, we're doing this sport, it's now food time. So we will see you shortly. I can't view. That's class. That is cool. What do you think, Joe?
Dunno.
You don't know. You know what's going down. Any time in the Webisode? Look at that! We're in the toy section because we're little kids. Oh man. Hey, do you want a piano? Where do you want to open there?
You need a bag?
No, I'm alright, thanks.
I'll change you a seat there, thanks.
So, we came out of Poundland and it's fucking raining. Really heavy, it wasn't forecast, so we're gonna go and get something to eat and then we're gonna go back to that car park. Two pissed off faces. What'd you buy?
Steak meat.
There's Dom. I dropped my pound in Coupland's and I got some for free. Coupland's, mate? Where have you been? Where have you been?
But like the Greg would say. Chicken and chorizo sandwich.
Don't know what it is. Look with it. Please sponsor me. I'd love to get sponsored by a Look with it, it'd be class. Joe's learning my Look with it influence, it was rubbing off him. He got a Look with it. If you've bought a Look with it in the past month, like the video. What the?
Wait, how did I come out before him?
What have you been buying?
Salt and shit. Chipstick.
Right, so we're in the Newgate shopping centre, and what we're going to try and do is skate the car park above us now, and we're going to time to see how long it takes for us to get kicked out. Because last time I was skating here, I did like two ollies and I got kicked out straight away. So we're going to see how long it takes us to get kicked out. There's the cue camera. Hey! Car park commence. We're in the car park and Joe's going to do a little line, aren't you?
Yep.
There's long here. So what are you planning on doing?
Manual, nollie free, and a kick flip.
You heard it right here?
I'm doing nose manual actually.
Try again. Count. Go. Count, go. So Dom's just messaged me saying the security guard's following up, so I'll have to be really quick. So I got kicked out. Have to go now. We'll go and find Dom. What time?
Right now.
So I got kicked out. We're gonna go and find Dom now. Right, John, we got a few lines on, didn't we?
Yeah.
That was good. I don't think this security guard was remotely impressed that we were skating, so he's over there. It looks like he's following us. We're getting followed, Joe. We're getting followed. Look over there. And we need to go now. Joe, run. We're there. Alright, go. Go. Oh shit, go. Oh, where's Dom at? Oh no, you dropped your...
Oh, they're going to bother anyway.
Fuck it.
You're going out.
Oh no, he's gone now. That's fine. There he goes. So we got chased by the security now, we're just waiting for Dom. He's next to the card shop, so we're going to wait from here and then see if he turns up. Joe, what were your thoughts on that?
Shit.
So Joe and Dom have gone now. Joe got picked up and Dom's has gone home, so I'm just going to wait for the train and this is the Webisode over, so I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like, rate, comment and subscribe. It's been a long pass. So if you enjoyed, please like, rate, comment and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.